Honestly, when I first saw this, I thought it was a piece of candy, and I'm a little disappointed that it's not. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day. Today we just have a packed schedule in this video. We're going to be taking so many things out of boxes. We have this box here, which we're going to be taking stuff out of. This is the Sephora play for the month of February. We also have, which I am very excited to announce, another box from Home Chef that I'm going to be showing you guys today. Home Chef has sponsored this video and I'm just so very excited. And that also means that we're going to have yet another episode of Cookin With Alexandria, which should be just interesting. It should be fun. I think the last little mini episode went pretty well and you guys enjoyed it, so hopefully this episode will go well as well. Okay guys, so I just checked my tracking link and it says that my box was delivered, so I'm gonna go downstairs and see. Woohoo! Also, no, this right here is not a box of snacks. Okay. What was I saying? I literally just got the notification that my Home Chef package was delivered, so I like sprinted downstairs and got it and then like sprinted back up here. And of course I'm out of breath because of out of shape reasons. Anyway, as I was saying, if you guys have not heard of Home Chef, it is a meal delivery service that delivers fresh, pre-portioned meals right to your door. They have a ton of different like varieties and options, and today I can't wait to get into the box and see what we're gonna make because I'm so hungry. But yeah, that's gonna be the second thing that we're going to unbox today and end up cooking together, which I'm very excited about. And then the third thing is kind of a random surprise box. The other day I posted an unboxing, and in that unboxing I like showed you guys a glimpse of a box that I had not unboxed from December, 2 months ago. But I got so many comments saying like, you have to unbox this box. So that is what I'm going to do today. It's right over here. Give me a second. I'm also going to be quickly unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for December because apparently it's fantastic. And it's a shame that it has been wrapped up in cellophane sitting on my floor for 2 months. We got unboxings to do, cooking to be done. It's just a little bit of everything. So I'm pretty sure I've talked for 147 minutes. So let's go ahead and get on to our first box, which is the Sephora play for the month of February. Ooh, okay, so I just received this box today? Yesterday? Today. And it's already past Valentine's Day, but I can tell that we have a very lovely Valentine's-y type theme. Ooh, groovy. It says mix your love potion. So this little pamphlet here is going to tell us all about the products inside of the box, plus it gives us our little play card with 50 extra Beauty Insider bonus points, which I somehow now have 1,000 Beauty Insider bonus points. Don't really know how that happened, but yet I still can't afford anything on there. And then inside we have our lovely, just crinkly little plastic bag. A Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription, plus I think like there's some tax in there or something. These all are typically just like sample size products. You don't really see too many or ever full size items in here, or travel or trial size. All right, I think I'm feeling the perfume sample, which is technically like the bonus item. I'm gonna pull that out first. Maybe. All right, so the very first thing we have here is the perfume sample, and this is Stella from Stella McCartney. And I don't know why in my head all I want to say is Stella. Is that from a movie? Am I just making that up? Let me know down below in the comments if you have any earthly idea what I'm talking about. So this is the Stella perfume sample, and inside here you would see what the full-size bottle would look like if you were to purchase it. I am happy to get like a kind of different perfume sample in Sephora Play because sometimes I feel like they just repeat the same ones over and over. So let's give her a little spritz and a sniff here. Maybe. Oh, you know what? I kind of like that. It's a bit of a more fresh, bright scent than I'm typically used to. I typically like really deep, spicy, warm perfumes. I don't know. Smells good. Okay, next up, y'all, we have a tube. Alrighty, so this is something that I've actually received several times in subscription boxes recently. This is from Caudalie, and this is the Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. And inside of here somewhere, I think there's like wine extract or something. Oh, I can really smell that rose now. It sounds like it's all like congealed in one. Can you hear that? Oh, not a huge fan of the scent. I don't know about this. I have received it several times. I don't know why it sounds like it's all kind of congealed on the inside, and there's really not that much in here. But I do have a couple other of these little guys here, so I could probably give this a try long enough to see if it actually works. Okay, next up. Oh, is that a foil packet? Alrighty. So next up here we have little eye patches from Wonder Beauty, which have somehow managed to find their way in like a million subscription boxes in the past few months. So these little guys are like gold little boomerangs that you put under your eyes. These are the Baggage Claim gold eye masks, and I have tried these out before, and unfortunately for me, they make my eyes itch like a mad lady. So I probably won't be able to use these, but I could definitely pass them along to somebody else. Oh, okay, so this is something a little bit different. I have something here from Milk Makeup, and this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I feel like this has been around for a while, if I'm not mistaken, and I think I might have even used it before. I just have a very, very horrendous memory. So in here, you get 0.1 ounces of product, and it's just like a little roll-up stick guide. No! My fingers are all slick from the Caudalie. Oh, that's fuzzy. Oh, it smells like an art classroom. Why does it smell like that? Oh my god, what is that smell? That smell literally just transports me back in my mind to like the art classroom that I was in high school. Strange. Anyways, I put it on the back of my hand right here, and you can kind of tell that it does give like a nice blurring effect to the back of the hand. It is also very, very smooth. You got some tempera paint in there or something? Why do you smell like Miss Melroot's classroom? Moving right along. Ooh, all right, I feel something that might be an actual makeup product, so I'm gonna save that for last, and I'm going to pull out this little box first. All right, so next up here we have something from Fresh, and this is the Rose Face Mask infused with real rose petals. Oh, it's kind of like a theme a little bit. We got some rose perfume, rose face mask. That could kind of make sense with Valentine's Day. This is supposed to have like wine in it. Roses, wine. Why do I feel like I also have received this in a Sephora play before? I honestly could have. Oh, okay, maybe not. I was expecting something entirely different. Okay, so you know like when you take a rose petal and like scatter it around because it's all romantic and stuff. Yeah, if you leave that rose petal just on your floor for a long time, it's not gonna be red and pretty anymore. It's gonna be this color. This is what this face mask looks like. I also really, not a huge fan of the smell. Gotta say, not a huge fan. Anyway, there is that. This is supposed to hydrate and tone your face, which is nice. If you really like the smell of roses, you might be okay with this. If you don't, alright, and last but not least, we have this. And this looks like one of the little Bite Beauty lipsticks. I got mine in the shade Rhubarb, and it's just one of their little bullet lipsticks. Let's see what the color looks like. I'm actually pleasantly surprised that it's not like a red lipstick or a pink lipstick. Ooh, I like that. That's a little bit different, much more on like the purple side, the purple family than we're used to getting in Sephora Play. I'll go ahead and see what this looks like on me. Tastes good. Alright you guys, so that's everything that came in my February Sephora Play box. And I'm a little bit on the fence with this one. I do like that we got a makeup product and it is a nice lipstick. I'm not a huge fan on like the concentration of rose stuff in here, but that's just me. If you guys like the smell of rose, then you might really like these two things. This might make the box a little bit more worth it for a lot of people, but unfortunately for me, it just makes me itchy. So for me, I'm just like a little bit on the fence about this box. I kind of like it, but I don't really know still if it's worth the $10. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. All right, so we're going to take a little break from the beauty unboxings here, and we're gonna go unbox some food, which I'm like even more excited about because I really like food. All right, so let's go ahead and jump on into a segment of Cookin with Alexandria. Alright you guys, so we have some options for recipes here and they all look absolutely amazing. We have a citrus miso salmon, then we have an apple butter pork tenderloin, oh my goodness, oh yes, yes. Then we have a steak and mushroom melt on a pretzel bun, then we have a chicken motard, and they all look amazing. I'm so hungry, I wish I could eat all of them. But this right here, this is calling my name. Anytime I can see like melted cheese oozing out of something, I'm pretty much on board. Alright guys, we're about to get cooking. I did actually bring my tripod down, this right here, to try to make a more professional-esque setting, but the only problem is I literally can't get it angled and positioned to where like you can see the food. Last time I balanced my camera on a mayonnaise packet and that worked pretty good, so I think I might go more with that route. So I have my lovely bag of ingredients right there. I also have my pre-sliced steak, which is definitely going to be a time saver, and I'm ready to get cooking. I bet everybody who regularly watches my channel just got real nervous. Guys, so while my pre-sliced steak strips are sizzling away, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Home Chef. So one of the things I really like about Home Chef is like the variety of foods you get to choose. They are like regular, simple recipes, but like always have some type of cool twist to them, which makes them taste very excellent. Also, I love the convenience. Everything is like pre-portioned. Like for instance, I love that this steak came pre-sliced. That saves so much time. It also reminds me of my grandmother for a very unusual reason. One time when I was little, I asked my grandmother if she ever cut the cheese, like if you know what I mean. And she said no. It comes pre-sliced. And for some reason, this steak reminds me of my grandmother. Anywho, so the convenience factor is absolutely fantastic. I love being able to just like go to the refrigerator, pull out a bag, and know what I'm making for dinner. It helps so much, especially when you're somebody like me who is so like indecisive. Oh, gotta stir. Gotta stir. All the dinner servings are $9.95, and I feel like I'm getting a good value because all the ingredients are so fresh and so nice. I don't know where they get their chickens. I really don't know where they get them because I feel like you almost can't overcook that chicken. It's always fresh and juicy no matter what you do to it. I also really like that you're able to pause whenever you want to. So like if you're going out of town, you don't have to like get a box of food delivered to your door. You can just pause your subscription and then like get it back when you're home. So anyway, let's get back to the cooking. My arm is getting very tired. Oh, I'm so excited. So I have my steak and mushroom melt with this lovely cheese on a pretzel bun with horseradish sauce and some barbecue potato wedges. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh wow, that's really good. Alright you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed the cooking segment. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into this 2-month-old subscription box because you guys really wanted me to see what was inside. Apparently the December Allure subscription box was curated by Nikki Tutorials, which that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what's in here. Y'all said it's real good, so let's see. I'm very excited to see what December had in store. So let's go ahead and, oh boy. Oh, there she is, Nikki Tutorials, looking lovely and glowy as always. Ooh, sorry, I just got really excited. I looked down and there's something real good in there. So first of all, there's a weird little card in here that tells us about the new look of the Allure Beauty Box. We saw it from the January unboxing, which I'll like put a little card or something up here if I can remember to show you guys what the new January bag looks like. But there's like a little scratch off on the back. Okay, that's gonna take way too long. Let's go ahead and move on to the products because there's some good stuff in here. Honestly, when I first saw this, I thought it was a piece of candy and I'm a little disappointed that it's not. But what we have here, the very first thing is a tiny little individual Neutrogena Makeup Remover cleansing towelette single. I think I've seen these advertised now, like you can pop these into your purse and have them on the go. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Ren Clean Clear, why can I not say those words together? Ren Clean skincare. It says that you're supposed to use this at night just with your fingertips and rub it into your skin. All right, now let's move on into the fancier stuff. First up here, we have something from LA Splash Cosmetics, and this is the Architect waterproof slim eyeliner. I really like the packaging of this. It's nice and rose gold and shiny, and it looks to have a very precise tip, which is nice. I'm pretty sure it's like a little felt tip. Ooh, no, it's a brush tip, which is my favorite. Okay, so mine has set for 2 months on my floor. That might make a bit of a difference in this, but I went ahead and did just a couple of swatches. I think over here I might have already had a swatch on my hand, so it kind of separated. Then I tried again on this hand, and it's still not like the most pigmented black thing ever, but it is pretty pigmented. I can see it spreading a bit into my fine lines on the back of my hand. I don't know if it would perform the same on the eye, but yeah, this side's definitely darker. There must be some like old swatch on this hand. All right, next up here, we have something from NYX, and this is a lip lingerie in the shade Cabaret Show, and this looks to be like a full-size NYX product. Ow! Don't open things with your teeth, kids. It's really not good for them. It's perforated and everything, and for some reason I just literally can't open it. Ooh, I think this is going to be a really pretty color. It's kind of like a brownie nude. Smells interesting. Here it is swatched on the back of the hand. Ooh, I like that quite a bit. These have like such a long doe foot to them. It's like really long and skinny. I'm gonna go ahead and see what this looks like on the lips. Oh, I actually like that. I think that looks really nice. It's definitely a deeper nude color. It also seems to dry down really quickly, so this I'm liking. All right, Okay, the next thing in here we have is the highlighter from Ofra. This is the Everglow highlighter. Is this the one that came in the Nikkie Tutorials collection? That would make sense. Yes, so this is from the Ofra x Nikkie Tutorials collection. This is the Everglow highlighter. I think this is a super, super pretty wheel of colors here. I already have one of these little guys in my highlight collection, so I'll probably pass this along to somebody else, but I think these are beautiful, beautiful highlights, and I really, really love the Ofra highlight just in general. Alright, you guys, so the very last thing in here is the thing I'm most excited about. This is the thing that made me kind of go, ooh, when I first saw it. So we have a little eyeshadow palette here from Juvia's Place. They have absolutely amazingly pigmented eyeshadows. They have bright, bold, beautiful colors, and they're just very, very pigmented, very, very nice from what I've tried, which is literally like just one palette of theirs, but it was a really good palette. I am very excited to see what colors are inside of here, so let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, pretty. These are kind of like my colors that I tend to go for. Very warm, very like fall-esque. These are colors I could see myself using like daily, like literally every day. I already wear color very, very similar to this from the Soft Glam palette, like basically every day of my life. Oh, and this one too, what do you know? But I think these are very, very pretty. I'll get you guys some real quick swatches. I don't know why I went in that order. Oh well. Ooh. Oh, so soft to the touch. All right, so there you just have some super duper quick swatches of this little palette. I think these are beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm really drawn to this one right here, and also just more of these like neutrally browns. I think this is such a cute little palette, and I'm excited to try it out. I'm an absolute mess, so I'm just gonna wipe a little bit of this stuff off. That lipstick just really does not want to come off my hand. Hopefully that means it's long wearing. Oh, it's on my teeth. That's good. I wonder if it'll come off my lips. Oh, wow. Okay, you might need like some type of oil or something to dissolve this lipstick because it sticks on there pretty good. Okie dokie, you guys. So that's everything that I received in the December Allure Beauty Box. I hope you all are okay with me unboxing that so very late, but you guys, I think you were right. I really enjoy a lot of the stuff in here. A full-size highlighter, a Juvia's Place palette, a full-size NYX product. I think these are really great things, and I'm very excited about all of them. I really hope Allure is just like stepping up their game. I thought last month's box was really fantastic. Again, a lot of full-size products. So I hope that is like a continuation, a theme that they continue to go with. Full-size products, really nice value. But yeah, thank you guys for reminding me that I need to open up this box. It really was a good one. And also thank you for hanging out with me for this whole video. I'm sure it's going to be extremely long. Very sorry about that, but we had just a packed schedule today. And just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!